How to create Alibaba account. So the first thing, you need to make sure that you have already installed the application Alibaba on your device. If not, you can easily get it from the Play Store or an App Store. Once you have installed, open it. Tap on register or sign in. Over here you'll find three options: your Google account, Facebook account, or continue with email. You can continue with any of the account that you want. Well, I want to create it through my Google account, so tap on Google. Select the Google account in which you want to create your account. Wait for a while for it to process. Scroll down and tap on Allow. And there you go, your Alibaba account has been created successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your Alibaba account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.